Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Windows updates and that your mic is physically connected. This prevents driver confusion. Once done, plug the mic into the correct port and set it as the default device in Windows sound settings so Game Bar can see it. Then press Win+G to open Xbox Game Bar and click the audio widget. Make sure you can see input volume meters. This shows the app recognizes the device and prepares you for the next step. Now you focus on selecting and configuring the mic inside Xbox Game Bar. You choose your mic from the input drop-down, then adjust volume and any available mic boost so the meters peak without clipping. As you tweak, test by speaking and watch levels move. If the meter stays flat, make sure no other app is capturing audio exclusively. Close voice apps, then reselect the device. These steps ensure the Game Bar obtains clear input. Finish by verifying Windows privacy, lets Xbox Game Bar use the mic. Go to Privacy Microphone and enable access for apps. If issues persist, update or reinstall your audio drivers from Device Manager because driver mismatches often block input. Once drivers are current and privacy is set, make a quick Game Bar recording or use the in-app mic test to confirm audio. If you still hear nothing, restart Windows and try another mic to isolate hardware versus software problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.